reality, this right here, it doesn't get any more real than this. You are not alone, okay? I know you right there are looking the exact same way, okay? I know you just woke up and the first thing you did was to go to YouTube and start binge watching YouTube videos. And you're probably looking real crazy and crusty and dusty and busty and rusty. Yeah, so don't judge. Yeah, so I just woke up. I woke up like this. Yeah, I really woke up like this. I did eat, okay, because that's important. I am a vegan, and in order for me to be myself, hello there, my name is Jess, and if you are new, I make very fun, very helpful, and very creative videos for anyone and everyone with naturally curly hair. So if that seems of interest to you, definitely consider subscribing because you will fit right in here. Hey, in here. Hey. I need to stop. No. Okay, I really need to stop. So I've been seeing this challenge go around for like months now. I may be super late, but it's this transformation video that people are doing, and it's pretty entertaining. I believe the first person that, I'm not gonna say she started it, I don't know, maybe she did, but I didn't do my research. I'm not even gonna say who started it, but the person that I seen do it first was Haley Pham, and so I was like, I haven't seen any naturals do it, although there's probably some naturals out there who have done it, I just haven't seen, like I said, I haven't done my research. Yeah, so I was like, let me do a transformation video for naturals. So I purposely did not do my hair for like 2 days. My hair is literally, I mean, it speaks for itself. But yeah, so I'm gonna do a transformation. I just need to let you guys know that this is gonna be an inexpensive, as in free, as in no money spent transformation video, because I'm going for the more realistic version. I'm 22 years old. I'm a grown adult. I have to make grown adult decisions. And I'm not about to just go out and spend money on things when I can do it myself. Okay, first things first, brush teeth, wash face. Second thing I'm gonna be doing is deep conditioning my hair. Well, I'm gonna be washing my hair and then deep conditioning it. And then I'm gonna shave my eyebrows. And then next, I'm gonna do makeup. And then I'm gonna do my wash and go on my hair. And I'm just gonna show you a clip of that, but I'm gonna actually upload the full video, detailed video, that's gonna be on the next video. And then I'm gonna do my nails, and then I'm going to get dressed, and then I'm gonna take some Insta pics, because I need to take some Insta pics, because I just feel like I don't take that many pics. Like, I do a lot of videos, but I don't like have like just regular pics of me. This is a long intro, oh my gosh. All right, we're just gonna go. You guys ready to join and see this transformation? Let's begin. Teeth are brushed, face is washed, skin is soft. So next thing, we're going to wash and deep condition this hair. Okay, these are the two products I'll be using today. Let me actually take my hair out so you guys can see the official before and after. Oh my gosh, look at this. If your hair is stiff like this after you take it out of a ponytail, you need to wash it. When do I know I need to wash my hair or deep condition my hair, or my hair needs moisture? If you go like this and your hair is sticking up in the air like that and it's not moving, it's like a solid instead of a liquid, you need to put some moisture on your hair. If your hair makes this sound when you're touching it, if you have to scratch your scalp, if you see a whole bunch of flakes coming out, as you probably can see, my hair has a lot of flakes in it because it's dry. If your hair feels dry, if it feels hard and crunchy, and there's no shine to it and it's dull, you need to wash and deep condition your hair. Okay, curly girl? Okay. Shower and look at these results. Bam! You see that movement? Let me show you guys, but in slow motion. While I do my makeup, I'm going to put some leave-in conditioner in my hair, and I like to use this guy right here, this AsIAm leave-in conditioner. This is my favorite leave-in conditioner ever. Yeah, so now I just let these sit. And next thing on my list, I have to do my eyebrows, shave my mustache. Okay, before you decide to judge, we are all human here, okay? And some people are hairier than others, okay? And I tend to be a little more on the hairier side, just a little bit. Let's just move to our next location. I'm about to go do my hair. Let me take my hair out right now. Before, and then the after will be coming up really soon. Oh, hey there. All right, let's bring you guys in. Hair is finished. I honestly just finished filming the whole tutorial on this, so if you would like to see how I got these hair results, which came out really well, and all this hard work I put into my hair, I'm just so happy that it turned out right. Because if you're natural, you understand that sometimes your hair just don't work with you. Like, your hair's just like, not today, sis. Like not today. And you just gotta roll with it. I'm hot, so excuse my like DIY tube top that I did. It's very hot in this room. I had a onesie on prior to this. So I was actually supposed to do my nails after my hair, but I'm honestly not really in the mood to do my nails because then I would have to wait till they dry, and I just don't feel like doing that. So we're gonna skip the nails for today. We're just gonna have icky nails. It's all good, you know, whatever. I'm just gonna get dressed. I'm gonna do some pictures for Instagram. I literally honestly need to do laundry, so I barely have any clothes to be honest that are cute. So I'm just gonna put on what I have, and then I'm gonna model it for you guys, and then yeah, that's it. That's gonna be it. That's the trim. Don't look at me. Yeah. I'm just kidding. I'm just being over dramatic. Oh, these are, yes, hunty, yes. These are hugging me in the right places. Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh. Okay. Whew. These are tight though. Okay, now I need to change my shirt. Don't be looking. I see you still looking. Close your eyes. Can you please? You better keep them closed. Whew, I'm tired. Alrighty, if you watched until the end, you are awesome. And comment down below if you watched till the end, because if you did, then I will make more videos like this. I was actually thinking about maybe making like a transformation video for Valentine's Day. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it as well. If you thumbs up the video, more people will see it. And then just thumbs it up, okay? I really appreciate it. I'll give you some time. That's rude. You still didn't even thumbs it up. I see you. Anyways, I really enjoyed doing this kind of video. I'm gonna try to do more like creative and different kind of videos involving like natural hair. I'm also gonna be slowly transitioning to do like different videos that is more like about me and shows more of my personality and other interests that I have and other things that I struggle with, and more personal, relatable videos besides just natural hair. Obviously, I'm still gonna have the natural hair, but for 2019, I kind of want to just show more of me on my channel, because honey, I am not my hair, although I do love my hair, but I mean, there's more to me than just... So let me know what you think. I love chatting with you guys in the comments down below. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed before. Also, if you're not following me on my social medias, please be following me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, Facebook, whatever you have. Follow me on it all, okay? I would really appreciate that as well. I think that's about it. I will see you guys in my next video. See you later, alligator. Why am I so awkward? I never want to leave you guys when I'm doing my outros. Okay, bye. We're gonna keep this short and sweet. Okay, bye.
I know the mother guys, they've been talking about the way I do what I do. They heard I was good, they wanna see if it's true. They know you're the one I wanna give it to. I can see you wants me to.